In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a eToro virtual account. If your practice portfolio has gone off track, or you just want a clean slate to test a new strategy, the reset is simple, but it isn't a button you can press yourself. It's handled by eToro's support team, and I'll walk you through exactly how to get it done smoothly. First, open eToro on your browser or mobile app and head straight to the Help or Customer Service section. You'll usually find this in the main menu or at the bottom of the page under Support or Help Center. This is where all official assistance is handled, including account-related requests for your virtual portfolio. Once you're in the Help or Customer Service area, look for the option to Contact Support. Depending on your region and account status, this could be a contact form, a support ticket, or live chat. Any of these options work. The key is to submit a clear, direct request so the team knows exactly what you need without back and forth. In your message, keep it short and specific. A simple line like, "Please reset my virtual portfolio," is perfect. You can add that you understand the reset clears your virtual balance and trade history so you can start fresh. If you want to be extra clear, mention that you're referring to your practice or demo account, not your real account. That helps avoid confusion and speeds up the process. After you send the request, support will handle the reset manually. Response times can vary, but you'll typically receive a confirmation once it's done. If they need any additional confirmation from you, just reply promptly so the request doesn't stall. When the reset is complete, your virtual portfolio will return to its default balance and your previous virtual positions and history will be cleared. This affects only the virtual side of your account. Your real portfolio and funds are not impacted. A couple of quick tips before you finish up. If you don't see a response, check your email spam or promotions folder and the support inbox inside your eToro account. If you're practicing a new strategy, consider keeping notes outside the platform so you can track what you're testing after the reset. And remember, this is a manual process, so give support a little time to complete it. That's all there is to it. Go to Help or Customer Service, contact support, request a reset of your virtual portfolio, and they'll manually take care of it for you.